Hello, my name is Louise and today I'm filming my 9th Eyeshadow Roulette. Today is the 28th of January. I had planned to film this the 22nd of January, but things have been the way things have been, so I'm filming it 6 days late. But I haven't used these colors the last 6 days, so I feel like I still can say I've done what I set out to do, which is to, hello cat, which is to use these colors for 2 weeks. I am so cold. This house is right now really chilly, so I need to drink something. Hot tea with lots of sugar. Scrumptious. Okay, so quick summary. The using of the colors was fine, but if you remember, it was not the most exciting color palette. So I wasn't sad when the 2 weeks were over, put it that way. So let's just go through the colors though. First, I randomized the color Ivy from the Nikkie Tutorials and Beauty Bay palette. And Ivy is this one. So there we have that one. I would describe it as a white, clear shimmer, maybe. Pretty color. I tried using it all over the lid one day. It was fine. It was a little underwhelming, to tell you the truth, and I was a bit surprised that I actually ended up feeling that way. I've used it 4 times, mainly as an inner corner highlight, I think. Anyway, you'll find out. I'll include selfies. You know, it's a color. Or is white? Yes, white is a color. White is a combination of every color, every wavelength that makes color. Yes. White, shimmer, clear, boring, maybe not the most fun. The next shade was from the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne palette, also known as Kaleidoscope Dream. Now this palette has been in before, has so many pretty colors, and the one I randomized was the black one, called 13th Floor. I used this one 5 times. I tried to deepen up like my crease and stuff, but what I felt with this one was that it was really difficult to work with. I am not sure if that's how black shades generally perform, but I felt that it was patchy and it was difficult to blend into like a seamless look. Hello, cat. Yes. Yes, I'm not saying anything. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh. Okej. Får jag bara filma klart? Anyway, so 13th Floor, not that exciting. I'm not. I really, honestly, I didn't like this color. I didn't feel like it did what I thought it was gonna do. And I gave it a fair shot. I mean, I used it 5 times, but this is not the reason why I'm gonna like that palette, if you know what I mean. Okie dokes. So the next color was from the NYX Fire palette, and I was very happy that I randomized this palette, but I was less than happy that it was this shade that I randomized. So like I've written metallic brown, but it's more like a brown with a little shimmer in it. You know, it's a brown with shimmer. I used it 3 times. Again, it's not the reason why I like this palette. I am actually gonna try this black one day as well to see if it's easier to use, or if it's just my lack of experience with black colors that made 13th Floor difficult for me to use. You never know. The 4th color generated was from the Stila Eyes Are the Window Soul palette, and it was the color Vitality, which is this one, like a shimmer brown, kind of similar to the one from the NYX Fire palette, but lighter and maybe a slightly cooler. There we have that one. Pretty color, easy to use, but another neutral shimmery brown. But still, I used it 3 times. I don't have anything really much to say. So yeah. The final color for last time was from the Besame Cosmetics Sleeping Beauty palette. This, yes, you saw my raptures last time, so let's just leave it there. And it was the color 89343, which I described as a mustard with olive undertones, I think. That one. It looks a bit more yellow in this light, but it's very pretty. Very pretty. I was happy with this one. I used it 3 times. I feel like these colors get a bad rap. Like people are like, oh, it's not pigmented, or it's, you know, but I really think they perform well. I enjoy these colors. I did another look another day without that color, but just with other colors in the palette. I feel like it's beautiful. Like I really enjoy this palette. I really do. So yes, and it's so pretty. Like I said last time, like 15 million times. So anyway, so those were the 5 colors for last time. Again, you know, not a very exciting color palette. Nothing wrong with it. Very neutral. But, yeah, 4 of the 5 shades didn't make me feel inspired to use the palette more. It feels like that's kind of the point, is to get inspired to use the palettes beyond the shades that are randomized. So interesting. And since I wasn't very inspired last time, I'm so looking forward to new colors. But first, the selfies. Okay, those are the selfies. I'm gonna randomize now, but I just realized I received a few more palettes from my friend. I'm not gonna include them this time though, because I feel like if I do that now, then I will run the risk of delaying this even more. So to keep up the momentum for this video, I'll just randomize with the colors that I've had before yesterday. And then I'll add the newer palettes in for Eyeshadow Roulette number 10. That's a good number, 10. Okay, anyway, so I have 56 shadows that are singles. I have 298 shadows in palettes. So we have the number generator there. Let's enter 354 and generate 159. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. What? No, wait, really? Oh, wow, okay. It's from the Kaleidoscope Dream palette that I just had. The Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne collab. This one, and it's the color Stay Gold. I've actually used this color in a look when I used the 13th floor, so I know it's very, very pretty. It's that really, really nice gold. It's, oh, you can't really tell, but, oh, okay, it's a good color. I feel like I'm doing much more double checking now since I screwed up 2 times ago. So the next shade, 279, and that one is pretty late in the collection, which makes me excited. What? It's the Besame Cosmetics Sleeping Beauty palette, and it's the color 89343. Ha! Really? Okay, well, so we'll, okay, so picking another color, 249. Oh, well, I mean, I thought it was going to be another palette. I thought it was going to be the Jackie Aina palette, but it's the Linda Hallberg Infinity Deep palette. And it's the color Solar, that one. Another golden color. Let's swatch it and see. It's a lighter of a gold. Okay, it's a little, it's maybe more of burnished gold. Can you even see? Okay, I'll show the colors in the pans. It's like a, yeah, I'd say it's a burnished gold. So slightly, maybe leaning into brass or copper. That's, I mean, okay, that'll be fine. I actually used this palette today, and looking at it, I was like, I wonder when this one's gonna show up in an Eyeshadow Roulette. Ta-da! Does my brain have cookies? Like, is that how the computer knows that I was thinking about that palette? The third color, 195. Why does that seem familiar? Okie dokes. It seems familiar because I picked it a few weeks ago. It's from the NYX Ultimate Edit Brights and the pink color. Yeah, I know. Isn't it shocking? Totally. I agree. So, okay, so second time I've randomized the same color twice. What? Second time I've randomized a color I've had before in one randomization. That's not usual. Anyway, let's try again. 308, relatively late in the collection. Okay, well, it's the Nikkie Tutorials palette. Again, 308 is the color Pride, which I know is a very pretty color. It's that one up there. I don't think you can tell, but it's it looks very pink, but it like kind of shifts in blue. Oh, you can kind of tell. Or maybe it looks like it shifts in silver, but I would argue that it's slightly more maybe baby blue shift. Okay, I'm pleased with that. You're not happy with me, Kat. Okay, so the fourth color, 91, is from the Urban Decay Naked 3, and it's the first color in the palette, which is called Strange. That one? Well, I mean, you know, it's good to have a beigey white color. Can you even tell? Yeah, there, okay. It has to, well. Okay, so the fifth and final color then. 119. Yay! Okay, it's from the Urban Decay Electric palette. This is a palette that I really like. So let's see, let's just double check. Because I remember a few roulettes ago, I said, yay, it's that one! And it was the Urban Decay Naked 3, and I was really disappointed. 119 is the color Urban. Ooh, it's the okie dokie. Is this purple? Ooh. Okay, I was about to swatch over the Strange color. Oh, okie dokes. I know the lights make it look maybe slightly less interesting than it is. This color, it's a beautiful color. Oh yay, that makes me happy. My God, I'm even getting goosebumps. It's so cold in here. Okay, so let's go through the colors. First, we have the color Stay Gold from the Urban Decay and Kristen and Leanne palette. Then we have the color Solar from Linda Hallberg's Infinity Deep palette. Then we have Pride from the Nikkie Tutorials and Beauty Bay collaboration. Then we have the color Strange, can you even see? From Urban Decay Naked 3. And finally, we have the color Urban from the Electric palette by Urban Decay. Yes, so looking at these colors, beautiful accent colors. There is no crease shade, no transition shade. That's fine though, because I think it'll make me feel less restricted. Because even though I tell myself that I can use any color in the palette where the randomized colors have shown up, I still feel like I have to use only those colors. Like, even though I tell myself, even though I tell you, I just can't get, I can't get it out of my head. Kylie Minogue. So I'm glad that there are no transition shades. There is no crease shade. It's just pretty much color and shimmer and beautifulness, except for Strange. So yes, this was last time. This was this time. I prefer this one so much. Good for me. Yay! So yeah, I'm going to hopefully drink my tea. It's still warm, thank goodness. I'm gonna drink my tea, see if I feel like leaving the house. I would like to go skiing, but if it's chilly, I might be like, no, it's too cold. So anyway, I'm gonna start with the tea in my black cat mug. Yes. Okay. The cat's telling me stop talking. So I'll stop talking. Yes. I just want to tell, stay safe, wash your hands, get vaccinated.